Hello friends, welcome to the vocab session. These are our today's vocabulary words. In the end, I'll ask a question, give me answer of that question in comment box. So the first word that I have for you is ambidextrous. Friends, ambidextrous means deceitful or someone able to use both hands with equal skills. धोखा देने वाला या फिर अपने दोनों हाथों को यूज करने वाला. Its sentence is he is ambidextrous. Its synonym is double dealing. Repeat after me, double dealing. Moving to our next word, eavesdropper. Eavesdropper means one who secretly listens to talk of others. छिपकर बातें सुनने वाला. Now its sentence is I admit I am an eavesdropper. Its synonym is snoop. The next word is callous. Callous means unkind. A person who is very unkind. In Hindi you can say nirday. Now its sentence, her callous attitude irritates me. Its synonym is cold-hearted. The next word is juxtapose. Juxtapose means place side by side. In Hindi you can say मुकाबला करना और पास पास रखना. Now is sentence, in the exhibition, abstract paintings are juxtaposed with shocking photographs. Its synonym is collocate. The next word is extempore. Extempore means spoken or done without preparation. In Hindi it is बिना तैयारी के. Now its sentence, he was a great extempore speaker. Its synonym is impromptu. Moving to our next word, annihilate. Its meaning is to destroy completely. In Hindi you can say sarvanash karna. Now its sentence, our soldiers annihilated a force of 500 troops. Its synonym is obliterate. Moving to the next word, credulous. Friends, credulous means a person who easily believes on others. आसानी से भरोसा करने वाला. Its sentence is young children are very credulous. Its synonym is gullible. Moving to our next word, diatribe. Diatribe means bitter and violent attack in words. In Hindi you can say ninda. Now its sentence, he launched a bitter diatribe against the younger generation. Its synonym is denunciation. The next word is effeminate. Effeminate means man with womanly habits and manners. In Hindi you can say nari jaisa. Now its sentence, the way he walks is a bit effeminate. Its synonym is womanish. Moving to our next word, jaunt. Friends, jaunt means a short trip. In Hindi you can say मनोरंजन की यात्रा. Its sentence is Rahul is planning a tourist jaunt with his wife. Its synonym is excursion. It's time for the question of the day. The question is, a person who believes others called A. Callous, B. Gullible, C. Eavesdropper, D. Ambidextrous. You have to answer me that question in comment box.